Here is Clinique for Men Anti-Age Moisturizer. And in this video, I just wanted to show you exactly what it's like, give you an idea as to what you can expect from it, how to best use it, and who would get the most from it. But perhaps most importantly, I wanted to share my honest thoughts and opinions with you since I have got this several months ago. I've been using this consistently and I'm starting to see some really good results. So for me, the reason I got this is we've recently had children. Well, I say recently, our eldest is now 3 years old, and yeah, the lack of sleep has caused a lot of wrinkles to develop around my eyes and my general face. And yeah, I needed to get a moisturizer. I needed something that was going to help with those. So I decided to get this. I heard a lot of good reviews and I'm so pleased that I did. So it's such a good product. Now, in terms of usage, it's really, really simple. So the recommendations are that you use it twice a day, preferably morning and evening, and ideally after a shower or after a face wash. So basically you just need a clean face to basically get the most out of it. Now in terms of, how much you need to use, a little goes a long way. That's the beauty of it. So obviously it's in a tube, you just squeeze a little bit out. Let me put a little bit on my hand. There you go. I want to show you what the cream's like. There you go. There's the cream. So it is exactly what you'd expect as a cream, but it rubs in. I put too much on my fingers there, but it rubs in really, really easily. It absorbs really, really quickly, and it's got a really kind of light, fresh scent to it. But you can just feel instant. You just feel it. It's instant, the kind of moisturizing effect, and it's lovely. It really is. It just makes you feel great, and it gives you kind of that confidence. You just feel lovely, feel fresh. Yeah, and I love that about it. So it's great for wrinkles. It also says it's great for kind of dullness, for a younger, revitalized look. And I would have to agree with that. It just gives you that little bit of a glisten and a gleam. And I think little things like this make a big difference to how you're kind of perceived. And I've noticed an increase in confidence, and I've had some comments about how I look well, and I really do think it's been using this. So really, really happy with the Clinique for Men Anti-Age Moisturizer. It's working for me and I'm really pleased I got it. You could try getting it for yourself. Otherwise, it would also make a fantastic gift. It might not be the thing that someone might buy for themselves, but it's really good for kind of treating someone. It's kind of a luxury product, luxury brand. And yeah, if it made them feel good, that's kind of what you want from a gift. So really, really happy with it, and I would strongly recommend it.